Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Real quick before we get started, just a reminder to please like, subscribe, and share the channel with someone who would enjoy our content. That all really helps us out. Looks like today we're starting with puzzle 154. And if we start with this box, we're missing 4, 5, and 9. We've got a 4 here and a 9 here, so this is our 5. That 4 makes this our 9, 4. For this box, we're missing 1 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 1, 9. For this column now, we're missing a 7. For this column, we're missing 4 and 5. We've got a 5 here, so 4, 5. For this box now, we're missing 1, 3, and 6. We've got 1 and 6 here, so this is our 3, but I don't see any other help. So 1, 6, 1, 6. For this row, we're missing 2 and 7. We've got a 7 here, so 2, 7. For this row, we're missing 1, 3, and 4. We've got a 4 covering here and a 4 covering here, so this is our 4, but I don't see any other help. So 1, 3, 1, 3. For this row, we're missing 2 and 5. We've got a 2 here, so 5, 2. For this bottom row, we're missing 4 and 7. We've got a 7 here, so 4, 7. For this box now, we're missing 3, 6, and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 3, 6, no help here, 3, 6, 8, and no help here, 3, 6, 8. For this box, we're missing 4, 5, and 7. We've got 4 and 5 here, so this is our 7, but I don't see any other help. So 4, 5, 4, 5. For this column, we're missing 1, 2, and 3. We've got a 1 here, so 2, 3. 2 here, so 1, 3. That means the only place the 2 can be in that column is here. For this box now, we're missing 3, 4, and 8. We've got 4 and 8 here, so this is our 3. 8 here, so 4, 8. That 4 makes this our 5, 4. For this top row now, we're missing 1 and 6, and I don't see any help, so 1, 6. For this row, we're missing 1, 3, and 6, and I don't see any help, so 1, 3, 6, 1, 3, 6. For this column, we're missing 2 and 5. We've got a 2 here, so 5, 2. For this column, we're missing 7 and 9. We've got a 7 here, so 9, 7. For this row now, we're missing 1, 3, and 8. We've got 1 and 8 here, so this is our 3. I don't see any other help. Oh, wait. That 3 makes this our 1, so this is our 8. That 1 makes this our 3, 1. That 3 makes this our 6. That 6 and that 8 makes this our 3, 8. This 1 and 3 makes this our 6, 1, 3. That 1 makes this our 6, 1. And for this box now, we're missing 5 and 6. We've got a 6 here, so 5 and 6. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have an amazing day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.